Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Google Translate for quick translations, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Translate website. Alternatively, you can download the Google Translate app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. Once on the website or app, you will see two text boxes. In the left text box, type or paste the text you want to translate. Next, select the language of the text you entered. If you are unsure of the original language, you can select Detect Language. In the right text box, Google Translate will automatically show the translated text. You can change the target language by clicking on the drop-down menu on the right. Choose the language you want the text to be translated into. If you are using the app, you can speak the text instead of typing it. Tap the microphone icon to activate speech recognition. Once you've spoken the text, Google Translate will display the translation in the output box. For document translations, click on Documents at the top of the page. Then, upload the document you wish to translate. Select the source and target languages, then click Translate. Review the translation that appears on your screen. If you want to save the translation, you can copy and paste it into another document or note. To hear the translation, click on the speaker icon next to the translated text. This feature is especially useful for learning proper pronunciation. Explore additional features like translation history, which can be accessed in the app. To use the camera translation feature in the app, tap on the camera icon. Point your camera at the text you want to translate and take a photo. Google Translate will overlay the translation on the image. Lastly, feel free to experiment with the conversation mode to have real-time translations during speaking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.